Here's a short video of fire alarm work in schematics, crawl spaces, things like that. I'm taking a video, Patrick. So anyway, sent into a crawl space to find a short on a pair of wires. Crawling along, tracing out this one little red wire and the board I'm sitting on. And that little black beam right there, I found this wire here that you can see I've split the jacket open on to look at. And I'm going to get in here a little closer here just to find where it's smashed right there. It's really hard to see the bare copper. You can kind of see some shine there on the red, but anyway, they were shorted out, so it's better shot there. You can see crawling around up in here for about 30 minutes tracing things. It's a fun job. So anyway, have a nice day.